Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how North Korea looks at night. Satellite imagery provides a stark visual of the Korean peninsula after sunset. You'll notice a profound difference in light output compared to its southern neighbor. This visual disparity highlights significant differences in infrastructure and energy use. We'll explore what these images tell us about daily life and the country's development. Stay tuned to understand the implications of this unique nighttime appearance. The most striking aspect is the dramatic contrast with South Korea. While the South glows with a vast network of lights, North Korea remains largely dark. This isn't just about aesthetics, it reflects fundamental differences in power generation and distribution. The illuminated border serves as a powerful symbol of the divergent paths these nations have taken. It's a visual representation of two distinct worlds on the same peninsula. So, why is North Korea so dark at night? A primary reason is the severe limitation of electricity for its citizens. Much of the available power is prioritized for industrial use, military installations, and the capital city. This leaves vast rural areas and even many urban centers with minimal or no access to consistent lighting. It's a direct consequence of their economic structure and resource allocation. The pervasive darkness has significant implications for daily life and economic activity. It points to a reality where many citizens experience limited modern conveniences and a lower overall standard of living. This unique nighttime appearance offers a powerful, albeit indirect, insight into the country's internal conditions. For more insights, and to make your own life a bit brighter, check out the description below for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.